So when you are already doing BCom,
Yes, sir.
why shift to digital marketing or why to choose this field?
तो मुझे एसईओ में बताइए, ऑफ पेज एसईओ में कौन कौन से पॉइंटर ध्यान में रखने चाहिए ऑफ पेज एसईओ करते समय?
relevant backlink, do follow once, and we have to Pinterest our site on Pinterest.
व्हाट इज प्रेस रिलीज?
Press release.
So I have a client. He is in real estate business. Okay. And for him, we are planning to run Google Ads. Which Google ad type you will suggest and why?
So lead, for getting maximum leads, so we can use lead ad type objective. Maximum click also.
You want to say maximize click. But that is a winning strategy, right?
Yes, sir.
But ad type, which ad type you are running? Hello, Karan.
Hello, sir.
So, Karan, if you can introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Karan and I'm 20 years old, and currently I'm doing my BCom program and I'm in my third year. And other than I'm also doing digital marketing in STAENZ Academy. And my schooling happened in Delhi, and recently I have shifted to Ghaziabad.
Okay. So when you are already doing BCom,
Yes, sir.
why shift to digital marketing or why to choose this field?
So my priority states are like after doing BCom, there is no such jobs. I find it very interesting, and when I see the thing happening, booming in digital marketing area, so my interest arise, and then I joined digital marketing course in Stage. There is also lots of other branches I've seen in Google like DIDM. My friend also suggested me, go, you have to go for the IDM. I am also joining, but I thought, let me see what's the right deal. So I have tried there, and I don't feel like to going there. When I joined here in the Broom branch, I'll feel very connected, and I joined in Stranger.
Okay, so now are you feeling comfortable and happy doing this course?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So करण बताइए ये कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में कौन से टॉपिक्स आपके फेवरेट हैं एंड वेयर यू वांट टू स्पेंड मोर टाइम?
Sir, I like SEO more, and ads, Google Ads, I consider it very much.
Okay. So search engine optimization. Now there are two different efforts. We have local SEO and then you have global SEO.
Yes, sir.
क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में?
सर लोकल एसईओ जनरली आपका होता है लोकल एरियाज के लिए, छोटे शॉप्स वगैरह के लिए हम करते हैं जनरली, उसमें इतना कुछ टेक्निकल्स इंक्लूडेड नहीं होता. एंड इफ यू गो फॉर ग्लोबल, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ऑन पेज एसईओ, टेक्निकल एसईओ एंड ऑफ पेज आल्सो. सो देयर इज मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम.
Like can you suggest some keyword wise differences? What kind of keywords are there in local SEO which will be in your priority and those are not in global? Can you differentiate?
Okay. So for local SEO, we generally go for like a gym in Indrapuram, like for a very shorter area. But when we do SEO or find keywords in global, we have to more focus on whole topics. So there is that kind of difference we can see.
So for a gym, can you suggest any keyword for global SEO?
Okay. Best gym in whole Ghaziabad, like gym in Ghaziabad, and like near metro station.
Isn't it local searches?
Yeah, it is can be considered local also. Let me think, sir.
So if you have to find keywords for any specific business, what tools do you use?
So we can use Shameless, Moj, and Google Suggest, keywordtool.io.
All right. So which is your favorite? SEMrush?
So Moj and Shameless are my favorite ones.
So in SEMrush, say there is one option called keyword gap.
Yes,
It is related to SEO.
sir.
Can you tell us what is keyword gap? What is the use of this thing?
So I think keyword gap is to compare between competitors. Like we can check difference between competitors, see the difference.
So say I have three competitors,
Yes, sir.
and now you are going to use keyword gap. What kind of data it will give you?
Okay. Sir, it will show intent like and ratio of on particular keywords, like how much density there, or yes, sir.
So
It's a type.
now you are doing SEO, and somebody who was doing SEO like 5 years back.
Yeah.
Now you may use some new generative AI tools.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you tell me what kind of AI uses you will have in SEO? Is there any advantage of using AI, or where exactly you will use AI? What kind of AI efforts you will add in your SEO effort?
Okay. So basically, sir, in past, generally SEO happen in on particular keywords, like they on generally rank their sites on a keywords. But nowadays we have to focus on whole topic. So they are
Mhm.
like Chat GPT, Cloud AI. This type of AIs can help us and give us detail we want.
So, for example, I'm giving you one jewelry store. Now, for that jewelry store website, you have to do SEO. So, practically, can you tell me what steps you will take where AI is involved?
Okay. For content writing, we can use that.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And we can take creative ideas from Chat GPTs.
Can you give one example? What kind of prompt you will use over there?
Okay. We can suggest people like how we actually manufacture a particular ring or product. We can give them info, and so we can use ChatGPT like that. Give us info on how to make a gold ring. When that will show us create content for us, then we can use that content for our benefit.
Okay. Yes, Aditya sir is here. Aditya sir, you can proceed.
यस करण जी। सो आपका एसईओ में इंटरेस्ट है ज़्यादा, तो मुझे एसईओ में बताइए, ऑफ पेज एसईओ में कौन कौन से पॉइंटर ध्यान में रखने चाहिए ऑफ पेज एसईओ करते समय?
So on page, right?
ऑफ पेज, ऑफ पेज।
Off page, okay. For off page, we have to think about first is backlink. Like we have to take relevant backlink, do follow once, and we have to Pinterest our site on Pinterest, and we also consider for going offline branding, and we also engage in social media more.
ओके, व्हाट इज प्रेस रिलीज?
Press release. So I think content writing for press. Maybe we give our data to press.
ओके, आपने बताया मुझे कि बैकलिंक्स लेने चाहिए। मुझे आप बताइए, बैकलिंक लेते समय जो सामने वाले जो वेबसाइट है उसका आप क्या क्या एनालिटिक्स चेक करोगे, क्या क्या आप चीज़ें ध्यान में रखोगे फिर आप बैकलिंक लोगे?
Sir, we have to consider about DA, domain authority, and spam score. What is spam score of that site? Like we have to consider very low spam score below 15, and we have to focus on domain authority more. The higher the domain authority, it will be more beneficial for us.
ओके, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन डोमेन अथॉरिटी एंड अथॉरिटी स्कोर?
So it's same. I think in same rush we use domain authority and in mod authority score. That's it.
मॉज ऑथोरिटी स्कोर प्रोवाइड करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
आपने देखा है पैनल मॉज का और सिमरश का?
Yes, sir. देखा फिर.
ओके. आपने मुझे बताया सबसे पहले सर को आप बता रहे थे कीवर्ड के बारे में. मुझे बताइए कीवर्ड टाइप कौन कौन सी इंटेंट रहते हैं कीवर्ड में?
सर commercially keyword intent, informational, transactional and navigational.
ओके. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी के लिए एक कमर्शियल कीवर्ड बताइए मुझे.
और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग commercial की. Okay. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स नियर मी.
नहीं, एजेंसी के लिए.
एजेंसी के लिए. ओके. cheaper and affordable agency near me or agency.
ओके. ऑन पेज एसईओ में मुझे बताइए कौन कौन से टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स रहते हैं?
Page should have convert URL. Page should have website should have sitemap.html. Website should have robot.txt and schema also.
What is the purpose of robot txt5?
We generally allow bot to allow and disallow our data we want to read. That's the main purpose of robot.txt.
ओके. सो एक सिचुएशन समझिए कि हमारे वेबसाइट में कुछ खराब बैकलिंक्स आए हैं. ओके. तो हम उसको कैसे नलिफाई कर सकते हैं?
With the help of disavow tool, we can do that. Disavow tool is in Google Search Console. We can give data, and then we can, with the help of disavow, we can remove that sites. Like
ओके. कैसे हम डाटा देते हैं गूगल डिसअलाउ में? कुछ आइडिया है आपको? किया है आपने?
with sitemap, we can do that. Like by giving sitemap to Google Search Console.
गूगल सर्च कंसोल को साइट मैप दे दिया. अब गूगल डिसअलाउ टूल में क्या डालोगे? मतलब कैसे आप उसको बताओगे कि इस बैकलिंक को मत कंसीडर करो?
सर वैसे तो मैंने प्रैक्टिकली करा नहीं है, बट हम शायद साइट मैप के थ्रू, हम डिसऑर्डर टूल के थ्रू हम कर सकते हैं चीज़.
यस.
Yes, Karan. So apart from SEO,
Yes, sir.
we also talked about Google Ads.
Yes.
Say I have to generate leads for a real estate business.
Okay.
Which Google ad you will suggest and why?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
So I have a client. He is in real estate business. Okay. And for him, we are planning to run Google ads. Which Google ad type you will suggest and why?
So lead, for getting maximum leads, so we can use lead ad type objective.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And maximum click also in bidding.
Maximize click. You want to say maximize click. But that is a winning strategy, right?
Yes, sir.
But ad type, which ad type you are running?
So lead.
Lead is your objective.
Objective.
And after that, you will choose your ad type, right?
Okay. Sir, search ad.
So you are planning search ad.
Yes, sir.
And for real estate, you are generating leads, planning a search ad. Now tell me, if the client is from Noida,
Okay.
whether you are going to use broad match or phrase match or exact match keyword.
Sir, it depends on our budgeting also. According to that, we will think about.
Having, say, 3 lakh rupees a month he is ready to spend.
Okay. So we can use phrase or exact also, but phrases will be more ideal for us.
Okay. And why not broad?
Because we also can get non-relevant queries we actually don't need. So broad will be not beneficial for that much. If we are spending, yes, sir.
How you can minimize that? Even using broad, you want to minimize the negative impact. How you can do it in Google Ads?
So with negative keywords, we can do that. We can reduce lots of junk data through negative keywords in broad match.
Okay. Now, tell me once. I'm giving you one scenario. See, I don't like Google Analytics. Okay, I don't like it, so I don't use it on my website. I am using some other tools for tracking. Now I want to retarget my website visitors and want to show them a display ad or a video ad. Is it possible?
Yes, sir, it's possible. Through audience segment, we can create retargeting. Like we have to create new audience for them. We can give our website what we needed, and then we can retarget through that.
But how Google will track who visited my website? I'm not having Google Analytics.
So we can use other software also, like Microsoft Clarity.
Microsoft Clarity, if I'm using on my website,
Yes, sir.
will Google be able to track and will Google be able to retarget visitors?
No, sir. I don't think so.
Right. So it is of Microsoft.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm not using Google Analytics, is there any way that Google will be able to track my visitors and retarget audience?
Like if we have given our data, like we have shown our website to them, they can retarget those audience who have come our website already through Google Ads also.
So even without putting any code from Google side, Google can track.
I don't know about sir that much.
Okay. And what is the code that Facebook provides for such tracking?
I don't know, sir.
Have you heard about Pixel?
Yes, sir. Yeah, Pixel code. Yeah.
Pixel, you have heard. Okay. So can you tell me what is the default event in Pixel, Metapixel? In Pixel code, there is one event which is being tracked. There's one default event.
So I don't know about that much.
So Karan, how do you see yourself like in next 5 years? Karan saying Beast, where and what exactly you must be doing?
So like, firstly, I will focus on my job, and after saving some money, I will focus on a business.
What kind of business you want to start? Do you have
And
anything in mind?
I'll see according the how the trend goes, then I'll choose that.
Okay. So, you are going to use our company just to generate income for your business? Is that your plan?
I don't know, sir.
All right. And say, what kind of work you want? Now you have studied digital marketing. What kind of work you are expecting that I'm definitely going to do this kind of work and I can excel in this kind of work in digital marketing? What kind of work you are expecting?
Okay. So mainly, I think SEO and Google Ads I can more focus on.
So are you comfortable with WordPress?
Yes, sir. You can ask me on that topic.
Okay. So tell me 3 plugins which are there for SEO in WordPress.
Therefore, for SEO, for SEO, uh, Rank Math SEO, Only One SEO, and your co-host, Yoast SEO.
Used. All right. And what is the use of redirection in SEO?
Redirection. So to redirect from one place to other place.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
On which tool, which plugin you will use for that purpose?
Sir, I don't know about that plugin.
Have you seen cPanel?
No much that much idea about that.
Okay. So if you will get a project which is not on WordPress, how you will be able to do SEO for that?
I don't know about that, sir, but I'll talk with my friend because he is the computer engineer. He surely help me in that.
Okay. Yes, Aditya sir.
यस करण। सो आपने बताया गूगल एड्स में आपकी एक्सपर्टीज़ है। गूगल एड्स में मुझे बताया कौन कौन से टारगेटिंग ऑप्शंस रहते हैं।
Okay. Demographic, audience segment, product. Two or more. I'm forgetting right now.
ओके। सो मुझे बताइए गूगल कीवर्ड प्लानर हम जब यूज़ करते हैं तो कीवर्ड के अलावा और क्या डाटा हमें मिलते हैं वहाँ पे, क्या हम कर सकते हो आप?
Keyword planner. We can add assets there, like site links, call out.
वो हम गूगल कीवर्ड प्लानर में करेंगे?
No, after like in ad option in ads.
गूगल कीवर्ड प्लानर में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं?
I'm forwarding right now, sir.
कि व्हाट इज कन्वर्जन?
Conversion, like any event happening, and then we can refer that conversion if any activity is happening.
रीटारगेटिंग में आप जब बता रहे थे सर को कि हम रीटारगेटिंग में ऑडियंस सेगमेंट में जाके हम ऑडियंस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, मुझे बताइए कस्टम डाटा सेगमेंट और कंबाइंड डाटा सेगमेंट में क्या डिफरेंस है?
So I don't know that much. I didn't study because today was very urgently.
ओके। तो गूगल एड्स में मुझे बताइए कौन कौन से टाइप के यूट्यूब ऐड रहते हैं, वीडियो ऐड रहते हैं?
Reviews.
आप कौन कौन से यूट्यूब पे ऐड देखे होंगे ना अभी आपने?
Oh, skippable, non-skippable, bumper ad.
और
Generally these ones.
ओके। सो मैं एक यूट्यूब पे ऐड चला रहा हूँ और मुझे स्पेसिफिक चैनल को टारगेट करना है, तो आप ये कौन से टारगेटिंग से अचीव करोगे? क्या ऑप्शन है उसका गूगल एड्स में?
I know that we can put a particular channel there to show that, but I don't know the option right now.
ओके यस सर।
Karan, tell me about your strength. What are your strengths? Give me two strengths that you have.
First one is like if you are giving me any work, I'll definitely can do that. Like if I even don't know, I can do. I know that this is my potential. And second one is I will never say no to any work.
Okay. Even if you don't know that job?
Yes, sir. I will can try it. Right answer.
All right. And two weaknesses? I'm really weak. So you can frankly say two weaknesses. What are two weaknesses?
Two weaknesses. First is most of the time I don't feel used to like doing work.
Okay.
We also can say I'll see. But when I do, then it will be 200%. Another one, that's it. I don't know that much.
So, Karan, any specific question you have in mind for us?
Yes, sir. That if we are going to do SEO, then how can we do for the sites which are built in with codes and like that?
Yeah. So, in that case, what you need mostly is server access. Once you have server access, you can see all the files. right? If the website is built in HTML, then you can see individual files. Even if the website is built using other platforms or libraries, then even there also, like Code Igniter, there also you will be able to see the files, the relevant files. You just have to edit the file. You can do that even in File Manager, which is there on cPanel. So edit the file using File Manager, and there you can paste the important lines. Say, for example, meta description is missing. So now you know how meta description looks. You can see any on any WordPress site. There you can see, there you can create, or what you can do, you can create a replica of that website in WordPress and complete the SEO part over there. That you can do on XAMPP or local WP, wherever you want. And then there in page source, you can see the exact lines. You just have to copy and paste in HTML file. So first thing you have to do is explore cPanel file manager options so that you can see the files. There you have to edit and find the location. Mostly the code is either in head or body. In head, there is no sequence. You can place anywhere, wherever you want. So just copy from WordPress page source and paste it in your HTML and save the file. Your on page will be mostly done, right? That way. So, and for off page, the efforts are same. Even for WordPress and non-WordPress, for backlinking, you need to put the similar efforts, whether it's code or whether it is using any platform. Okay. Any other question?
Thank you, sir. Nothing.
So now is this feedback time, Karan?
Okay.
A couple of feedbacks here from my side, and I'm sure you will take it positively. You will work on these things. You know, one thing you have realization. You have to put more effort. I'll see if nahi chalega kaam. Now, I can tell you one thing. First, let me tell you the positive part. You are really full of potential. Yes, okay? You have very good potential. Now, we have seen you in class and you are doing wonderful. But you are doing wonderful when you are ready and you want to do wonderful. So that is not your default button. The default button is off. You intentionally put the button on and you work really hard, but then again it comes back to default button, which is off. So you have to change the default.
Yes, sir.
You know, all the time, be very much eager to work, be very much eager to learn and execute. So you are a very smart person, but there is no replacement of hard work.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right? So you have to spend more time in front of laptop doing things rather than assuming कि मैं तो कर लूंगा जब आ जाएगा. अगर हुआ ऐसा कि करण अभी अपने को 20 मिनट में ही ये करके देना है, at that time you don't have that much time to research and find out. It can only be done when you practice it, when you are not. Say for example, अभी मान लो आर्मी वाले हैं, ये सोचेंगे यार लड़ाई होगी तो देख लेंगे, मार के देंगे गोलियां. भाई उस वक्त टाइम नहीं रहेगा इतना. इसके लिए जब वॉर नहीं होता है तब भी वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होते हैं. सो दैट वो उस चीज से इतना यूज टू हो जाए कि वो एक्सप्लोर करने का, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, दिस एटीट्यूड इज गुड कि यार नहीं पता तो मैं ढूंढ लूंगा, लेकिन इतनी चीजें नहीं पता, वो भी तो पॉइंट है ना. एंड दिस इंटरव्यू इज ऑन वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स. सो हार्ड वर्क थोड़ा ऐड करो. देयर इज नो रिप्लेसमेंट. से अगर मैंने मान लो 1000 HP का बाइक लिया है, 1000 cc का बाइक लिया है, तो भाई 1000 cc के बाइक को मैं 100 cc पे क्यों चलाऊंगा, या मैं कम पावर पे क्यों यूटिलाइज करूंगा उसको.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर इफ यू हैव दिस मच पोटेंशियल, तो जस्ट थोड़ा सा हार्ड वर्क, थोड़ा सा उसमें चिपक के रहना, उससे से करते रहना उसको, दैट विल एड अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू. एंड बिलीव मी, दैट विल हेल्प यू क्रैकिंग एनी इंटरव्यू रिलेटेड टू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. Because your grasping is very good. The only thing is you ignore sometimes. Second thing, when you will give interview anywhere, okay, try to maintain eye contact even if it is online. So don't just, so for example, when I ask question, you are looking here and there just to trying to recall the answer. Don't do that. Okay, always maintain eye contact. Try to maintain it as much as possible. Don't repeat questions. Example, when I asked a question, don't repeat it. You can repeat inside, but it shouldn't audible, be audible, and that you don't have to repeat the question. That is one thing. Sometimes person will ask you question where he is expecting longer answers. So for example, one question like, Karan, give me a strategy for say a real estate business. What will be digital marketing strategy from your side? You can even run ad. Give me budget, give me everything, and the project is in Noida. Now this question is where he is expecting longer answer from your side. A complete strategy. Okay? There you can crack this interview based on this answer only. ना तो वहां पे अपने वर्ड्स बचाओ मत. Frame it properly and even detail. छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स भी मेंशन करो. That will help him understand your capabilities. अगर आपने बोला मान लो एक लाइन में आंसर दे दिया, 1.5-2 लाइन में आंसर दे दिया, आई डोंट नो. सी आई एम योर ट्रेनर, आई नो कि करण की पोटेंशियल क्या है, लेकिन वो बंदा तो अभी 10 मिनट में मिल रहा है आपसे, तो उसको 10 मिनट में डिसाइड करना है कि भाई ये बंदा क्या करेगा. उस टाइम पे इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम उसको बिट बाय बिट लॉन्गर आंसर को फ्रेम करके अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करो, वहां पे हम टाइम ना बचाए. ठीक है. समटाइम्स इट मे हैपन कि इंटरव्यूअर जो है ना, उसको बंदा सामने वाला लगे कि यार बहुत एटीट्यूड है. ठीक है. देयर यू नीड टू मेंटेन अ लिटिल दैट काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड कि यस सर, आई एम ईगर, आई वांट दिस जॉब, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी, एंड हियर आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट कि मैं आपको कैसे बता सकूं कि आई नो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, बट इन अ वेरी पोलाइट वे. तो वो अपने को मेंटेन करना बहुत जरूरी है. देखो कई बार इंटरव्यूअर जो है वो यंग पर्सन होगा, उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेटर होगी, यार चलो अच्छा है, बंदा चिल कर रहा है, बंदा अच्छे से बता रहा है. कई बार क्या होगा ना, कोई ओल्ड एज वाला आ जाता है. ओल्ड एज वाला जो है वो एटीट्यूड देख के ही डिसाइड कर रहा होता है मैक्सिमम टाइम. उसको लगता है कॉम्पिटेंसी तो मैं डेवलप कर ही लूंगा. सो देयर इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम अपने पोलाइट एटीट्यूड को ही सामने रखें उसके आंसर करने में भी, और जब नहीं आता है तो भी पोलाइटली से, सर आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल दिस थिंग, बट यस आई कैन, I remember a little, but I'm not able to recall right now properly. So that is one thing we can say. Coming to your resume, it needs a lot of effort. Okay, we need a completely new resume with detail. So to the placement team, there also to Abhishek sir, I will also tell him from my side, Aditya sir, we need to take care of his resume. It should be properly designed. So Karan, हम लोग open show होगा, the team is helping you with a proper resume in a PDF format. It should be in PDF format.
Yes, sir.
तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा काम करिएगा, because that will give first impression to anybody. So we need to put some effort. So their team's change will also help you in designing it properly. Yes, Aditya sir.
यस करण. सो सबसे पहले तो आपको कंटेंट पे काम करना चाहिए. जैसे जो क्वेश्चंस थे कुछ कुछ बहुत बेसिक थे बट आप आंसर नहीं कर पाए, जैसे कुछ गूगल एड्स के थे या फिर कुछ एसईओ के थे, तो उसके ऊपर आपको काम करना चाहिए थोड़ा कंटेंट पे. देन जो मैं पूछ रहा था डिसअलाउ टूल का, तो आपको प्रैक्टिकल नहीं किया बट वो बताते आना चाहिए कि कौन से फॉर्मेट में हम अपलोड करेंगे, कैसे हम करेंगे. तो ये जो प्रोसेस है ये आप सब एक बार देखिए, एक बार रिवाइज करिए. गूगल एड्स को भी, गूगल एड्स के पैनल को देखिए. अब पहले सर के जो क्वेश्चन था टाइप ऑफ गूगल एड में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हुए थे, बाद में आप बोले सर्च है. ओके, तो ये कंफ्यूजन दूर करिए. तो इसको आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देखिए, उसको प्रैक्टिस करिए, गूगल एड्स बनाइए, एसईओ करिए आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वेबसाइट का, तो आपको ये हैंड्स ऑन हो जाएंगे. ओके, तो इस कंटेंट पे काम करिए थोड़ा.
Okay, sir.
So again, I'm repeating, Karan, you are full of potential, and we all are with you. Okay, just give your best shot. Best shot. मतलब भूल जाओ कि करण कैसा था, उतना आलसी था पहले, बिल्कुल नहीं. Now let me see the new version of Karan. He is smart already. That is your default. You are already smart. You are already having good grasping power. अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़िया है. ये सब बाय डिफॉल्ट है. जो नहीं है उस पर हमको काम करना है कि यार मेरे को बैठने की कैसे नहीं आदत. मतलब मैं 2 घंटे बैठ के काम क्यों नहीं कर सकता, बार बार मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट क्यों हो रहा हूँ. ऑन दीज थिंग्स यू हैव टू वर्क. ओके, सो आई वांट टू सी एंड 2.0. ठीक है, सो डू इट एंड इट विल चेंज यू फॉर एवर. ऑल द बेस्ट.